Buying your first home is one of life's biggest milestones. It's exciting, rewarding, and sometimes a little overwhelming. But how do you really know when you're ready to take the leap from renting to owning? It's about more than just having a down payment saved. True readiness involves financial stability, emotional preparation, and a clear understanding of what homeownership demands. Whether you're just starting to dream or seriously considering your first purchase, recognizing these signs can help you confidently move toward homeownership. Here are the top 10 signs you're truly ready to buy your first home. 1. You have a steady and reliable income. A stable job with consistent income is one of the clearest indicators you're ready to buy a home. Lenders need assurance you can make regular mortgage payments, and you need the peace of mind that comes from financial predictability. If you've been in your current job or career field for at least 2 years and expect continued stability, you're likely in a good position to handle the ongoing costs of owning a home. 2. You've built a solid emergency fund. Owning a home comes with unexpected expenses, from roof repairs to appliance breakdowns. If you've set aside an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses, you're prepared to handle surprises without going into debt. A healthy savings cushion shows you're financially mature and ready for the responsibilities of homeownership. 3. Your credit score is in good shape. Your credit score plays a major role in determining your mortgage options and interest rates. A score of 620 or higher typically qualifies you for conventional loans, but scores in the 700s or above open the door to better rates and terms. If you've worked to build and maintain good credit by paying bills on time and reducing debt, it's a strong sign you're ready to buy. 4. You've saved enough for a down payment and closing costs. Saving enough for a down payment, often 3% to 20% of the home's price, is a major step. But don't forget closing costs, which can add another 2% to 5% of the purchase price. If you've saved enough for both, without depleting your emergency fund, you're financially prepared to make your first home purchase. 5. You know how much home you can afford. Before you start shopping for homes, it's important to have a realistic understanding of your budget. If you've reviewed your income, debts, and expenses and determined a comfortable monthly mortgage payment, typically no more than 28 to 30% of your gross monthly income, you're ready to enter the market with a smart, informed mindset. 6. You're ready to stay put for at least a few years. Buying a home is a long-term commitment. Generally, experts recommend staying in a home for at least 5 years to offset the costs of buying and selling. If you're confident about your job, your lifestyle plans, and the city or neighborhood you're targeting, it suggests you're emotionally and practically ready to plant roots. 7. You understand the true costs of homeownership. Beyond the mortgage payment, owning a home comes with property taxes, homeowner's insurance, maintenance, utilities, and possibly homeowner association (HOA) fees. If you've done your homework and are prepared for these additional expenses, and adjusted your budget accordingly, it's a key sign you're ready to be a responsible homeowner. 8. You're pre-approved for a mortgage. Getting pre-approved, not just pre-qualified, for a mortgage means a lender has verified your financial information and confirmed how much you can borrow. Pre-approval shows sellers you're a serious buyer and gives you a clear picture of your purchasing power. If you have that letter in hand, you're well on your way. 9. You're excited about the responsibilities, not just the benefits. Homeownership comes with great perks: building equity, designing your own space, and having stability. But it also means mowing the lawn, fixing leaks, and budgeting for repairs. If you're enthusiastic about both the perks and the responsibilities, rather than dreading the work, it's a strong emotional signal that you're ready. 10. You have a strong support system or team. Buying a home can be complex. Having a support network, including a knowledgeable real estate agent, a trustworthy mortgage broker, and experienced friends or family, can make the process smoother. If you've assembled a solid team and feel confident asking for help and advice, you're well prepared for the journey ahead. Buying your first home is a huge step, but recognizing the signs that you're ready can make the experience empowering instead of intimidating. From financial stability to emotional readiness, each of these factors plays an important role in setting you up for success. If you find yourself checking off most, or all, of these signs, congratulations, you may be more prepared than you realize. With careful planning, a strong support system, and a clear understanding of your responsibilities, you'll be well on your way to finding and securing a home that fits your dreams and your future.